Question 15 reads, the figure above is a right triangle. What is the value of 49 plus x squared? This is both a triangles and a solve for x problem because it employs techniques from both of these chapters. So whenever you're solving for a value that looks kind of strange, not just a plain x or y, but something like this, a quantity 49 plus x squared, it's a really good indication that somewhere in your quest to solve for x, you're going to come across this quantity 49 plus x squared, and it'll just fall out somewhere. So even if it's difficult to solve for x itself, you should be able to solve for this quantity. So as you're going along solving for x, make sure that you keep your eyes peeled for something that looks like 49 plus x squared. So in order to get started, we need to set up some kind of equation. Because the only information that we're given is that the figure above is a right triangle, then let's start with the equation that we all know with right triangles, the Pythagorean theorem, of course. So let's set that up using the numbers given for this triangle. So that means that 7 minus x squared, this side, plus 7 plus x squared, that side, is going to be equal to 10 squared, the hypotenuse. Okay, so let's start foiling this out. Now you can foil it out by hand, or hopefully you've memorized the equations to quickly square quantities that look like this, x plus y or x minus y squared. So if we go ahead and square those quickly, we'll get 49 minus 14x plus x squared for this first value. And then we'll add in 49 plus 14x plus x squared for the second value. I'm running out of room a little, but that's all going to be equal to 10 squared, or 100. Now let's start combining these terms. 49 plus 49, I'm going to write that as 2 times 49 for reasons that'll become obvious very quickly. Minus 14 plus 14, those cancel out. And we have plus x squared, or plus 2x squared. And that's all still equal to 100. So now you can see that if you pull a 2 out on this side of the equation, you'll get 2 times the quantity 49 plus x squared equals 100. And that 49 plus x squared is exactly what we're looking for. So if we divide both sides by 2, we'll see that 49 plus x squared is equal to 50. So the correct answer is A, 50.